So I know I look like an overcooked vegetable, but I promise you by the end of this video, I'm gonna look cute. We're gonna look cute, like a fresh salad, you know what I mean? Today's bida is going to be itong Vaseline, ang Prime and Shine 2-in-1 lip balm and colored lip lacquer. Pero bago yun, ayusin muna natin itong sitwasyon na ite. Very quick makeup demo. Let's go!
Close all the curtains, stay on the phone. We are the monsters, holding you still. We are the gallows up on the hill. Answer the question, is God on your side? We'll be together, we're the rebel tide. We are the monster, there's no place to hide. We're under your bed, we hide in the dark. We are the monster, an army of one. We are the monster, the hole in the sun. You're the beginning, we are the end. Hold on to nothing, there's nothing we'll last. As you fall in love, we make you fall deep. We are the monster, 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 we are the monster.
Alright guys, so makeup done. Medyo fail yung ating curling kinemerut, but that's okay. Ang importante, medyo normal yung bangs ko. Anyway, it's time to talk about the product. So, very quick backstory. Nakita ko to sa Lazada and I've always wanted to try it kasi attract ako dun sa lip gloss part. Again, I'm talking about yung Vaseline Prime and Shine. I tried one and then I went ahead and bought the other two shades. Let me show you this one first. This part right here is yung lip balm, and I love the lip balm because it's clear and it does moisturize my lips, pero hindi siya sticky whatsoever. Alam mo yun? It just makes your lips look healthy and not dry. Now, let me show you guys yung lip lacquer because it's so nice. The first shade that I got is called, yun lang, walang shade dun sa mismong packaging. The first shade that I got is called Chic Rose. And, ayan siya, Chic Rose. It's pink, pero meron siyang slight orange and slight red to it. So, according to the instruction, lip balm muna, and then yung lip gloss or lip lacquer. This is Chic Rose on my lips, you guys, and honestly, ang ganda no lip lacquer. It is so pigmented. Well, yung opacity niya, it's not like parang liquid lipstick na glossy. It's like 50-50. 50% pigment, 50% no. It's 100% gloss, but like the pigment is just 50%. You get what I mean? And I really love it. Nakakabawas siya ng linya ng lips. I do believe you can use it on top of the lip balm, but then naman without the lip balm. But yeah, this is the shade Chic Rose. Where's my outer lights? Show you guys, first time ko rin mas-swatch, sabay tayo. This is in the shade Petal Pink. Ooh, Petal Pink looks nice. So I'm going to apply it without the lip balm. Dahil napupusuan ko itong si Petal Pink. Ganda, nakaka-fresh lang. Oh, another thing guys is, ang ganda nung applicator niya. Ang ganda ng applicator, it's so soft. And, ayan no, nagbe-bend siya. I like it. And this shade, Petal Pink, I like it. Also, take note, this is a lip gloss, a lip care na may tint. So, it's not gonna last for a very long time dahil pag kumain ka, pag uminom ka. Hindi siya mass-proof, hindi siya transfer-proof. So, take note of that. So, perfect to if you have an online meeting, if you have online class, alam mo yun, pang aura-aurahan ng taga for online. Next shade is called Vibrant Fuchsia. Kakaloka po ang Vibrant Fuchsia. So, parang ito yung mala red-ish, but not so red. Ito yung parang nude-ish, and then ito yung parang pop of color, like really pink. It's not that bad. Pero in person, it's really like, it's popping pink, you guys. I kid you not. Pero bumabawi kasi dun sa ganda ng gloss. Alam mo yun? Not my favorite, pero feeling ko some of you might really like this. Again, this is Vibrant Fuchsia, and it's really vibrant, you guys. So again guys, this is Vibrant Fuchsia. I'm gonna change my lip color. I really like yung Petal Pink. Okay, so yun na lahat ng swatches ng Vaseline, Prime, and Shine. And I'm so shook, like Vaseline did this? Because first of all, ang forte na is just lip balm. Alam mo yun, mga skincare, lip care, and I do believe hair care. Di ba mayroong Vaseline shampoo? They're not really marketing it as cosmetics or makeup. It's more on ano pa rin talaga. Lip care, pero alam mo yun, pinaarte. I do recommend you guys to try these. Regular price is $249, but I got mine for $212 kasi nagkaroon ng sale. Maganda kung makikita mo to sa Mercury, sa grocery pag napadaan ka para you don't have to pay for like shipping fee. Kasi yung shipping fee is like 50 pesos. Well, depending on where you live. Pero yeah, I really love these and I do recommend you try them. Meron ka ng lip balm, meron ka pang lip gloss, and it's like 2-in-1 and it's like on the go. Favorite shade would definitely be Petal Pink, the one in the middle, the one I'm wearing right now. I think dito sa dalawang to, I might have to go for the vibrant fuchsia. I mean, I'm not a fan of like popping pink, but mas lalong hindi ako fan ng ganitong type of red. But you know what? Lahat ng shades babagay sa lahat ng skin tone. You can adjust it. You can put it on top of your lipstick or you can use it on its own. Pwedeng 1 layer lang or you can like do 2 layers. You do you. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!